Pre-queues. Pre-queues allow you to save settings that you will need again and again, for example, certain positions of the moving heads or colored moods. There are 3 different types of pre-queues. If you save a setting in the overall category, all settings and values are saved. In the color category, only color values and brightness, color mix values, and dimmer settings are saved. Only movement settings and positions are saved in the Move category. Attention! When creating pre-queues, only the values of selected spotlights are saved. For example, if you have 8 moving heads and want to position 5 of them like a fan, these 5 moving heads must first be set and then all selected before you select a position in the Move category and press Store to save the position for all 5 devices on a pre-queue. You can give this pre-queue a name using the Name button. With this pre-queue, the 5 moving heads can now always be brought back to the saved position. As we have saved the settings on a pre-queue in the Move category, only the positions of the moving heads are changed. All other settings are retained.